Hello everyone, I hope we're all doing well. In today's video we are going to be taking a look at Zilliqa. We are going to be taking a look at it from a bullish perspective and a bearish perspective. So hopefully in today's video this will give you a better idea as to where these sort of cryptocurrencies could be headed if Bitcoin does continue to fall down, or if we break key levels where we could continue to go up. So if you do take any value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. With that, let's jump straight into the video. So if we take a look at Zilliqa, as you can see, around May the 3rd, 2021, it set an all-time high of 25 cents. Bitcoin was around the levels of $64,000 at this time, and then the whole market took a huge dip. Bitcoin then ended up doing a double top at $69,000. Majority of altcoins followed but didn't quite break their all-time high, and since then we have been in clear bear market territory. So hopefully in today's video this will give you a better understanding as to what we are looking for towards the downside and towards the upside if Bitcoin goes either way. So we're going to start off by marking out some levels in our chart. If this does take too long, we will simply cut the video because we don't want to take up too much of your time. We do just want to give you a good idea as to what we are looking for. Okay, so we're going to mark out a few levels here. This is the monthly. Okay, a few levels there. That one might not be accurate, but we haven't got to worry about that one for now. I actually am going to get rid of that one purely because we don't want our chart to be too cluttered. Okay, so we're going to clone that one. So hopefully in this video you will start to see essentially a picture being painted as to what we are looking for in these key levels, okay? So I'm going to cut the video here and I'm going to be right back once these weekly levels are marked out. So now that we have our weekly levels marked out, as you can see, these levels at the top here are quite a distance away, so you wouldn't bother with them for quite some time until we start to see those levels. Down here we have an old weekly which has been touched here, so I think essentially you would get rid of that level. And as you can see here, we have a weekly and we have a weekly here. We have a possible weekly forming here, which is an even tighter range. So if I show you on the daily perspective, okay, have that level marked out, change it a different color. We have a daily, copy that one. We have a daily here. Okay, and we have a daily up here. This is just for right now. Let's just take a quick look if there's anything down here. We've got quite a lot of levels down here. Strong dailies here as well. Okay, so what we're looking for, okay, if we take a look at Zilliqa at the moment, we are clearly range bound. Okay, if we look at it from a 4-hour perspective, we simply enough come to the bottom of this level here. This is a strong confluence, so if you have two levels like this almost touching together, this is clearly a respected area. So as you can see, the monthly and the daily almost together makes it a very respected level, and it's essentially the bottom of the range. So what we do is we come to the bottom of the range, we simply come up to the top of the range around this area of this daily, and then we come down. This is all we have been doing. It's all Bitcoin has been doing. We simply enough keep range bound for momentarily. Okay, so what do we want to see with Ethereum? What do we want to see with Bitcoin to enable to see cryptos like Zilliqa see the pumps that everyone's hoping for? Essentially, what we want to see with Bitcoin. Okay, now I've been talking about this key level on my other video, but as you can see, we have an area of the weekly here at 31,700. This, in my opinion, would be the good first stage to show that we are starting to get out of the mud. Until we hit above that level, this is what we want to see. This is a perfect scenario for Bitcoin. You want to see us come up, backtest it, and go up to the monthly. At least that's what you want to start to see. And if we go onto Zilliqa, okay, start to see something very, very similar. Okay, come down, possibly to the monthly. You want to see a backtest the daily, and then we can go to the next major level. Until we come to that weekly, this weekly will probably be a bit of a pain to actually break because a weekly level is stronger than a daily. Okay, so essentially what we are looking for on the way down, if Bitcoin ends up crashing and we end up seeing a bottom of around $23,000 or all that area, Then for cryptos like Zilliqa, we would be hoping at least for the first sign of bounce around here. But honestly, if Bitcoin is going to go to the 23k area, I don't think it will last there. I think it will simply fall straight down. And this will be the area that I am looking for a bounce like this at least. If we can see that, if Bitcoin hits 23k area, okay, that is from where we are now. That is currently that is another 66%. So obviously that would be a huge hit. But again, this is the sort of thing that you have got to be prepared for in this crypto market. For all we know, the Bitcoin bottom could be in, okay, and all we are trying to do is break above this range and go to positive upside. These are the things that we have got to be prepared for. And as you can see with Zilliqa, honestly, if we did fall below that level, I would start to get worried. Obviously, it's worrying time as it is. But this is where we're looking towards a similar situation as Luna. Because if we see a similar situation as Luna, then obviously it's not good. We'll take a quick look at Ethereum and then we're going to wrap this video up because we don't want to take too much of your guys' time. But hopefully it has helped in some way so far. So why am I showing you Ethereum? Ethereum and Bitcoin are the two market movers. If Bitcoin does well, then Ethereum does well. And if those two do well, then the chances are that altcoins are going to do very, very well. So they are the two important cryptocurrencies in this market. And obviously Bitcoin is correlated to the stock market. So again, this is why it all comes together and you have to wait and see what happens, okay? So as you can see here, this is a simple Fibonacci pull from the March COVID lows to the all-time high. And as you can see, we have the golden pocket here, and it's a very, very respected area. If we zoom in a bit here, okay, you can see how respected this area is. It's the same for Bitcoin, funny enough, which I showed in my last video. And as you can see, we are coming to a very risky point right now. So if we can close, okay, above this level, okay, then it could be at least a relief sign for now before things continue lower. If we close below this level, then it could obviously be lower and lower for Ethereum, which would mean lower levels for altcoins. Now, this is just a simple Fibonacci pull. You would not go into a trade based off this purely alone, just off what I have on my chart here. You would add it into confluence with other things like the dailies and the weeklies, etc. That's what you'd be looking for to do. So, as I said, towards the upside with Zilliqa, this is what we're looking to do. If we can break this range that we are currently in, okay, as we can see, range. If Bitcoin goes above that 31,700 level, and as we said before, back test it and then go up, we can then look towards the next level. You want to take it level by level at a time, and you want to be prepared for both scenarios. So by doing, you guys, some very, very simple TA with a daily, a weekly and a monthly, that's all we used, we have an idea of what we are looking for towards the way down. If Bitcoin crashes to 23k and the bottom is not quite in yet, then this is the area that we could be looking for Zilliqa. Again, if we fall below that level, that key level, then again we could potentially see a Luna situation, and that's where things can get scary. Bear markets are meant to be scary for some people, but at the same time they're a golden opportunity for others, and it's which one or which side are you going to be. Again, from doing simple TA, we have realized that we are in a range bound, okay, and we know where we need to go for Zilliqa if Bitcoin breaks these higher levels. If Bitcoin goes up to 31,700, then this is the first important level we need to see for Zilliqa, and we can slowly start to climb our way up. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope that this video has helped in some way. If you do want to see a video on why 2022 was going to be a bad year, then please let me know down below, and I will show you what I thought were the signs that 2022 was going to be a bad year. I did sell all of my cryptocurrency in November purely because the signs were so strong to me, and if we're mixing all of those signs in with the 4-year theory, to me it made sense. Does that mean I do not believe in crypto? Absolutely not. I 100% wholeheartedly can say I believe that this crypto market, the technology it brings to the world compared to what we have, is uncomparable. I have simply, for me, acknowledged that we are in a bear market. I've thought that the economy was going to go in the mud, and I guess I got it right. But that doesn't mean I'm an expert. It just means that I recognize the signs that things were going to be bad. So if you guys do want to see a video what the signs were, if you haven't seen one already, don't forget to smash the like button, because that will show me that you do want to see that video. So ladies and gentlemen, I am going to stop rambling now, because I am going to go on for too long, and I want you to enjoy your day, even though we are in a bear market in this crypto market. Thank you for watching. If you did take any value from this video, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, or share the video for more. And thank you for watching, guys. Peace.